Welcome guys. So the MCP server for DexPaprika is officially live and it is pretty cool. What it does, it allows your AI model to interact with our API directly. I'll show you how you can install it on your Cursor and Claude Desktop, and then we'll ask some simple queries to show how it works. So what you're gonna need is just simple command npx or npm. npm basically install it locally on your computer, so it doesn't have to be run anytime. But you have to update from time to time, make sure that the package is in the latest version, while npx always runs the latest version. This is not a big difference, but so that you know. So let's run this. It will quickly install the package, as you can see. And to run this, you just have to go there in the settings, right corner, go to MCP server, add a new MCP server, call it anything you want. I'll just call it DexPaprika API, and the command is just the name of the package. You just run like this. You see the green dot, it means it's connected, it's enabled, and it's ready to go. Let's just query something simple like what is the most traded token by transaction count on Solana. He found some MCP tool as a default, so he's gonna use this. He's going to get the network. The network is Solana. He needs some ID to use the endpoint. Now he's gonna run some queries for the pools. Yeah, so he found that Trump has this many transactions and is the most traded token. Pretty cool. What's cool also is that right now you can also ask it to write simple scripts or just code that will interact directly with the API, with our API. So let's get to Claude Desktop, how to install this. You have to download it from the website, from Claude. Then you have to go to settings. In settings, let me just different screen. Yeah, it's in there. It's general. You have to go to developer. Then there's gonna be like a get started or edit config. I already did this. It's edit config. Go to this file, open in your IDE, and add this code. It's gonna be also pasted below the video or in our GitHub, so no worries. You just have to paste it from there. Add this line of code, and after resetting, it's also important to reset the cloud. So just close it and run it one more time. Show some error. Yeah, but here you see this little hammer, and it shows that 9 tools are available, and you can query him also like, let's find most active pool on base. We found it by volume. Yeah, we didn't specify if it's either by volume or by transactions, and it found that it's wrapped Ethereum to USDC. Here is the contract address, here is the volume, and here's are the 2 transactions. Pretty cool. So that's it. That's how you install the MCP server for DexPaprika. Happy coding, guys.